Okay, here we are. I'm John Rocheleau, the installer of this forced hot water heating system. It's a Buderus boiler, oil fired, yellow burner, 6 zones, and there's zone 6. But anyway, there's zone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then over here we have all our supplies, not necessarily in neat tidy order, but there's 5, 3, 4, there's 6. I'm waiting for the plates for number 6, supply and return. That's why we don't make these that way anymore. We put a plate inside a hollow pocket. Okay, and then that way we can always be sure to have our valve function designation right side up. That's what you run into when you get cast designations into the handle. If you're not thinking about where you're locating your ball valve, that can happen. The only way to rectify it, of course, is to reinstall the ball valve, which is nobody's idea of a good time. So we're going to leave it. We have a boiler makeup water there. And anyway, there's zone 1. Here's zone 2. And burner's going to run. It's a pretty nice Wechsler gauge, unfortunately made in China, but that nice Honeywell vent, bronze vent. That's a beauty. Love that vent. Made in USA too. Take that right apart and replace the actual vent part without trashing the whole vent, which is important because bronze is expensive. I should know. Nickel-plated bronze. Nickel-plated bronze. Bronze. So there's my instruction holder down there. Here's my purge tee. That's a street accessory tee, I call it. Patent pending. We can see on the other side it says gurufittings.com. Kind of hard to see. There's guruhandles.com. And right here we got guruflanges.com. Those are my flange designs. And I put stainless steel bolts on those guys, so they look pretty. And okay, we got blue handles for return, red handles for supply, and that's about it. And I'm going to get a function designation plate for that boiler drain. And away we go. All Saints Church, Peterborough, New Hampshire.